They technically don't know what a laminate floor is compared to a real wood floor. They just say that we want a wood floor. Hi, this is Shweta. I am the director at Ego Floors, and you are today at the experience center of the Ego brand, which is at Mahalakshmi. We will link the location in the bio, so you can anytime drop in and see the exclusive collection of Ego premium products at this exclusive store. So today I'm just going to quickly take you through what is the main question that we come across when a client comes in. They technically don't know what a laminate floor is compared to a real wood floor. They just say that we want a wood floor, right? So I'm going to quickly take you through how a laminate flooring is made. So this whole tray that you see over here is the journey of wood the wood goes through to actually make a laminate wood floor. So as you can see, this is the bark of a tree, which is then cut into wooden chips. The chips are formed of the tree. Then this is converted into wood fiber. I'll just quickly show you this. This is how the fiber is made after making it into chips, which is then converted into an HDF board, which is a high density fiber board. This is a board on which the wood will actually be made. Then this is your decor paper, which is ideally a design that you can choose from. All the factories internationally have millions of designs of this decor paper, and this is the actual color, texture, feel that you can see on the wood. This is the impregnated decor paper, which is basically after it's treated through the machine. Then this is your stabilizing film, which is used at the bottom of the HDF. This is the overlay paper, which is basically used at the top to protect it from scratches and make it to some extent water resistant. Then these are the samples that actually come out, and then they are put to test. And then this is your final result, wherein you will have different types of thicknesses. This is an 8 mm laminate flooring, this is a 10 mm laminate flooring, and this is a 12 mm laminate flooring. So I'll just quickly show you a plank of a laminate floor. So this is what the plank would ideally look like. It's very, very close to a real wood floor, and the kind of texture that has been given on the wood mimics a real wood floor to a very, very large extent, because we've really worked very hard to give that look and feel so that a laminate floor also matches the look of a engineered wood flooring. So, and then to go on, we have various collections here. These are our herringbone collections, and these are our regular laminate collections, which is the Easy collection, Easy Premium collection, Easy Classic collection, and so on and so forth.